going to show you my opinion of laundry sheets. So I got these on Amazon. It's called Smart Sheet Laundry Detergent Strips. They're a fresh scent, eco-friendly, one strip equals one load. So it comes in a sheet that's the entire size of this box. However, if you have a small load or a lightly soiled load, you only need one little strip like this. Check out what it looks like up close. It just looks like little bits of, it's all laundry soap. There's nothing majorly. So I'm going to stick it in here, right? Now watch this. Put a little water on it. This is cold water. I use cold water because it's economical and it just saves on everything else. So look how fast that dissolves. So it dissolves well in cold water. Of course, this is a portable machine I use. I use a tiny washing machine with a spin cycle. And this lets me get it mostly dry. This is better than a traditional washing spin cycle because it almost dries your clothes. It's technically considered a dryer. Then you hang it out in the summer sun when it's some nice weather, and they're dry in about 15 minutes after that. However, we don't have that in Washington a lot. So I fill it up. I'm going to do my laundry and spin it out. It'll be mostly dry. Then I just put it in my dryer, and then it takes me, I have an actual dryer that sits downstairs in the house, and it takes me maybe 30 minutes and everything's dry. So it's nice that way. But look at that foam. So I know it's working. And the clothes come out nice and clean. They don't bleed out a lot. These are new overalls, so they tend to do a little bit of bleeding. But other than that, they do really well. So this is getting pretty full. And this is a pair of overalls, a pair of jeans, and some socks. All darks, of course. Let's see. And I just turn off the shower head because I fill it that way. I don't hook this up to a water source. This trailer wasn't equipped with that. And then you have a timer. You have a spin. This is the standard wash. This is for gentle cycle. And this is your spin basket here that you put a little cap like this on to hold down the load, and it keeps things from flying up and around. And then this is your wash timer. So if I was to hook it up outside, it would be hooked through here. The water would fill from a water source, and of course it would drain out here outside somewhere, but it just drains into my shower pan. So, but there we go. So it'll start turning, and it's just it's like a disc agitator on the bottom, and it spins. It'll start slow like this, and then after a few turns, the whole load will start to turn. You'll just see it start moving water around. But it goes 15 minutes. It's plenty of time. And then a lot of times I'll do this at bedtime, like I'm getting ready to go to bed. It will soak. Then those overalls will continue to soak up a little more. Once they do, they'll settle in, and it'll usually need a little more water. Then I'll know to add more. Then I'll wash them out in the morning, then rinse them. Get them in the, because they need to get pretty wet. So when it gets like this, I sometimes will add more water to it. Just kind of knowing your machine and your load. That extra water kind of helps turn that around a little better. And these are a big pair of overalls. These are my super heavy duty ones. So there we go. Once I see it starting to come out there, I don't need to add any more. So this is going to agitate. Laundry will start turning because the pants underneath are getting nice and clean. There we go. Slowly moving. Close it up. Call it a night. One little strip laundry sheet. I paid, I think, $12 for the entire box, and I will probably have no need for laundry soap for quite a while. I love it.